Hey there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Rosalie Stevenson and I'm a local Galveston County real estate agent with Rosebud Realty. Today, we're diving into a topic that could save you some serious cash: how to protest your property taxes. Have you ever felt like you're paying too much in property taxes? Well, this video is for you. Don't worry if you don't know how much about the process or the terminology. I'm going to break it down plainly so you can feel confident about taking control of your property taxes. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what a property tax assessment is. Property tax assessment is when the county decides how much your home is worth, and that number determines how much you pay in property taxes. The problem is, sometimes the county might assess your home's value higher than it actually is. If this happens, you end up paying more in taxes than you actually should. This is why it's so important to make sure that the value they've assigned your home is accurate. And if it's not, then you're going to do something about it. So, why should you protest your property taxes? Well, let's say the county thinks your home is worth $250,000 and you know it's probably only worth $200,000 because it's in need of repairs and hasn't been updated in a while. If you don't protest your property taxes, you'll be taxed like your home is worth $250,000. By protesting and getting your property value lowered, you could save a lot of money each year on your taxes. The key to winning your protest is gathering solid evidence that shows your home isn't worth as much as the county says. Here's how to do that. Start by taking pictures of any problems or defects with your house, things like cracks in the walls, a leaky roof, plumbing leaks, or anything else that is damaged or in need of repair. Next, get estimates from contractors and technicians for how much it would cost to make those repairs. These estimates will help show the county that your home isn't in perfect condition. Also, look around your neighborhood. Look around for similar homes that sold for less than your assessed value. These are called comparables, and they're super helpful in proving your point. And finally, if there's something exterior to your home that you feel is affecting the value, like nearby construction or noise, make sure to document that too. Now, let's talk about some extra things that can help your case. For example, if your home is in a flood zone or has been hit by a natural disaster, that can lower its value as well. Or if you live near something undesirable like a busy highway or a landfill, that's another point in your favor. If your neighborhood has seen some negative changes like rising crime rates, declining schools, neighboring abandoned homes with high grass, these changes can also reduce your home's value. Depreciation might sound like a complicated word, but it's really just about how your home loses value over time. For example, functional obsolescence. This is if your home has had an old kitchen or outdated features. It's not going to be worth as much as a newer home or renovated home. Then there's physical obsolescence, which is just wear and tear, like an old roof that needs replacing or a carport or patio. And finally, there's external obsolescence. External obsolescence is when something outside your home, like noisy construction nearby, that reduces its value. By understanding these factors, you can build a stronger case on why your home's value should be lowered. All right, now that you've gathered your evidence, it's time to file your protest. The deadline is usually around May 15th, so make sure you don't miss it. You can file online, by mail, or in person. Once you've filed, the county may send you their evidence, or in some counties, you may have to request it. You want to know the reason for why they valued your home the way they did. Go through it carefully and get ready to counter their points. When you present your case, organize your photos, repair estimates, and any other evidence so it's easy for the review board to follow. Now, let's talk about the hearing. This is where you will present your case to a panel of people who will decide if your home's value should be lowered. Start by summarizing why you think your home is overvalued, and then back it up with your evidence. If the county used comparables, other homes they say are like yours, point out how your home is different. Maybe your home has some issues that other homes don't. And don't forget to bring up any depreciation factors, like that old roof or that leak causing water damage, basically anything not functional and in need of repairs. After the hearing, you'll get a decision. If your protest is successful, your home's assessed value will be lowered and you'll pay less in taxes. If things don't go your way, don't worry, you can always appeal their decision. Either way, make sure the new assessed value reflects what was decided and keep all your paperwork in case you need it for next year. If you feel like you need more help, there are professional property tax consultants who specialize in this stuff. They can help guide you through the process and make sure you've got all your bases covered. Also, don't forget to use public records to find more comparables or ask your realtor to run some comps for you. This can give you extra evidence to support your case. Protesting your taxes might seem a little bit intimidating at first, but I promise you can do this. With the right preparation and evidence, you have a good shot at getting your property value lowered and your taxes lowered. Just follow these steps we talked about, and remember, this is about making sure you're only paying what's fair. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more real estate tips and advice. I've got more videos coming up on everything from buying and selling homes to investing in real estate, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.